Hi all, welcome to Chimpanzee Charts. Hope everyone had a good day today. So Smijo here back. So let's jump into BTC. Okay. I don't know if you guys watched my yesterday's video. I have told this ATMA should act as a support during yesterday's close, and it acted as support. And even today it acted as support, and we are about 200 EMA. This is very bullish sign. So even today morning I have uploaded a video, quick 1 hour update video during this pump, because I saw volumes coming in. So that's the reason I uploaded this 1 hour video. Maybe I can show you guys like around 8 hours back. Let me show you around 11 hours back. BTC update 0809/2021. So this was the place where I thought, since all the candles closed, yesterday's candle closed above 80 I was slightly bullish, and again we got a price correction, it's fine, but again it got supported by 80 so that's where I came in, and like literally like 11 hours before I posted, and we are well and good about 200 EMA. This makes market bullish. So this crossover, this golden cross, it's not golden cross. If 80 EMA tries to cross as 50 EMA, well and good, and eventually these EMAs will try to cross 200 EMA. That's where our BTC price is going to pump, and it makes new high. So that is with respect to BTCUSDT. And I was keep on worrying about Litecoin USDT. So I don't know whether you guys took my trade. So if you see what happened, you can see my resistance. See, we consolidated for Litecoin around 145 area, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days, and it acted as a support day before yesterday, and yesterday it acted as a support 145 range, and even today it acted as a support, and it just cruised through above my second target of 156, and now it is 163. So whoever took this trade, they would have made like decent profits. And I was saying based on from from 30th July, from almost like 10 days, I was saying Litecoin will, whenever this move happens, whenever this crossover happens, there will be a pump. And I was drawing this resistance lines around 160, 156, 172, and this 200 EMA. I think this is very achievable for Litecoin. If BTC pushes some more time, I think Litecoin will eventually test this 200 EMA, and will get good trade for Litecoin. And let's go to ETH. As usual, I don't know whether if you guys watched my yesterday's video, I was saying that this is the key support, this horizontal line, which was the previous resistance, which broke, and it got supported yesterday, and again today morning when prices dropped, it got supported by 80 MA. So all the time what I'm talking is about this one IST timing, and again we pumped, and we are on the upper Bollinger Band. I'm seeing this 3100 mark is key level. I think I'm seeing a next target. Maybe I will try to adjust this resistance, and let me save it. So my next target will be around 3490. So let's 3491 for Litecoin, around 3500. So let's wait and watch. As of now I am very bullish on Litecoin, because we are above all the moving averages like 50, 34 and 200, and even 250 are on same price right now. So I'm very bullish on Ethereum. So I think we will be reaching 3500 in upcoming days. So that is with respect to ETH. Let's check dot. It is just consolidating around $20, I think. See, for past 4 days it's just consolidating, and yesterday's candle even if you see my yesterday's video, just try to watch my yesterday's video. I just told exactly the same. So in this, if it is a bull market, okay, this should act as this ATMA should act as a support. Whenever it closes below this ATMA, that's where our first signal that we are having some kind of losing momentum. But yesterday we got at support, and I even told you guys to place buy orders around ATMA. So if you would have placed buy orders around ATMA either today or yesterday, you would have filled this prices and ride it along. Even I think still my $23 target is valid. So let's wait and see whether we are hitting this $23 for .USDT. Let's go to US link USDT. Again, but for link we just closed below ATMA, but eventually we got pumped back today, and we are around $24. It's okay. Think maybe at least I'm seeing like $26. This 200 EMA link should travel at least till this 200 EMA. Why? Because it is above both this moving averages. I think link has a potential to go till this $27, $26. So I'm also bullish on link. And let's go to Matic. Matic, we had a crossover, and this price is consolidating on my first target. At least I'm seeing a push for 1.34 for Matic, or 1.33 for Matic. 1.33890 for Matic. So yeah, I'm little bit since BTC is moving, I can't able to be a bear right now. So I'm leaning positive for most of the altcoins. And Ichimoku is trying to turn green, and we got a buy signal on ribbons. So I'm seeing a pump or catch of next resistance of 1.34 in upcoming days for Matic, next 2 or 3 days. Okay, that is with respect to Matic. Let's check BNBUSDT. Yeah, band, yes, Ichimoku turned green, and we got this ribbon buy signal, and we had this crossover around 5.89, and right now we are at the key resistance. Let me try to draw this line. This one 7.56. If it breaks, I am seeing a next resistance of this area. Yeah, this area 9.14, and eventual resistances 11.23. At least most of the coins are reached near this 200 EMA. I feel the band also will try to reach this area. So if it breaks this resistance, first resistance, so let's wait and watch. This one ribbons got turned green, and we are on Ichimoku green as well. And most main thing is we are above this red cloud. So these are 3 bullish scenarios on band. So that is with respect to band. Let's check USDT. Rune, I think it's a very good chance you would have bought today morning. Rune, it got closed below 8 EMA and got supported by 34 EMA. Okay, so I don't know whether yesterday in one of the chart I told, if it is closing below 8 EMA, next support is like 34 EMA, but not for Rune, some other charts. But this is a very good area, but it got rejected by 200 EMA. We need some kind of bullish momentum for Rune to break this 200 EMA resistance, because always we know it's the first time it is trying to break. Obviously people would have placed sell orders and they would have took profit, and that's the reason we got this correction. It's totally fine. I'm expecting next push upwards will break this 200 EMA and reach Rune will reach around If it breaks 200 MA, I am expecting room to reach around 8.762. That is the next target for Rune. So this is the previous resistance it broke, and almost this price acted as a support. Maybe I'll move this to a 34 EMA. This price acted as a support like 6.23. Let it act as a support. I think this should it's already reversed. Probably two more green candles will try to. I think next push of this 200 AMA resistance, Rune will try to break and move to 8.762 target. So that is with respect to Rune. And let's get into theta. Theta also went down today since BTC was moving up. I don't know whether again theta is same like Rune. It got supported by this previous resistance 6.2 and even 34 EMA. So that's what 34 EMA, 80 EMA, 50 EMA. Those are the key place where these things support and resistance will happen. So here it happened. I think same Rune scenario will happen for theta also. Next this push, this 200 EMA got rejected. This push to 200 EMA got rejected. I think since BTC closed about 200 EMA, most of the volumes will come to this type of coins like small caps or so I'm seeing a push, next push, and it will breach this 200 mark and theta can fulfill this area. Let me see Ichimoku is turning green or not. I think yeah, it is concluding. A few more candles will close above this red cloud as well, and we got ash ribbons buy signal. So these are some key things I'm seeing for theta. And let's see whether we have any chats. Okay, as of now, not chats. Let's go to charts again. Gold. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to gold. Even I updated a short video on gold today morning. Gold, I think this line got moved upwards. Actually, this was not my line. This was somewhere below, I think. Let me check. This horizontal line, yeah, I think this is the exact line. So this was drawn by me like days ago, not days, maybe months ago. So gold exactly came to this area and acted as a support, but gold just reacted to this death cross. That's what I would say. Whatever the death cross where 50 EMA tries to cross this 200 EMA, that's where we saw this flash crash for gold. So if gold needs to recover, we need a green candle tomorrow, and this moving averages turn bullish and try to cross over this 200 EMA. But I'm seeing a upcoming buy signal for gold on hash ribbons. Let's wait and watch. Why? Because this capsulation phase is getting ended. This capsulation phase where the price was dipping till here, this place is getting ended for gold. So let's wait and see what happens for gold. But Ichimoku, we are below the red cloud. It is saying we are bearish, but still 5 more hours of trade. Maybe it can, people can buy this dip and trade back to this closure of this Bollinger Band like 1761 previous support. 1761 can be previous support, or a full bearish candle which continues to decline the price of gold. But hash ribbons is trying to turn blue. Let's wait and see for a couple of days. If so, we can buy in gold. So that is with respect to gold. Let's check BNB. I don't know why BNB is not moving. It didn't. Most of my horizontal targets got hitted. Horizontal lines of targets are done. Only BNB first target is done, but my second target 370 is still pending. But it got rejected at this Bollinger Band and supported by 80 MA. And today's candle also looks good. we got a buy signal, and it is about 200 EMA. That is one of the main thing. And if 34 EMA trying to cross this 200 EMA, that is one more bullish signal. So it can during at least in the during that phase it should cross this 370 area. So that is with respect to BNB. BNB, if it crosses 370, I don't see it can. But one more major thing is that it turned Ichimoku turned green. Hash ribbons, we got a buy signal day before yesterday, and it is above the red cloud. Same like theta stuff. So most on three aspects it is bullish. Just and this candle looks good. I don't see a pullback for tomorrow. Even though if it pullbacks, only these ranges it can reverse within 308. It can reverse, or maximum this 288, where it can act as support and it can try to reverse back if there is anything surprise comes. Other than that, I don't see a negative thing for BNB. And let's go to some other coins. DOT we checked, ETH we checked, Link we checked. FTX was flying. I don't know. FTX was flying, but Solana was keep on. It's very silent. Solana is like what to say. Solana just sleeping line, I think. So Solana. It is within this price range of like $36 to $30. Yesterday again it got supported by ATMA. Very good sign. We got a reversal candle, kind of a reversal candle. It's fine, but it won't say it's not reversal candle. It's kind of a doji kind of stuff. But we got supported by ATMA, and again we need to break this $40 mark, as I was keep on saying for like 4 or 5 days. This $40 mark needs to break for Solana. One more good thing, there are again aspects are Ichimoku is green. We are above this 200 EMA and above all the averages. And we got hash ribbons buy signal as well. So let's wait and see. This area needs to be broken to see Solana to $50 mark. So that is with respect to Solana. Let's check H bar. I think we checked H bar yesterday. Every altcoin would have got supported by, yeah, H bar. It got rejected by 200 AMA, not once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 times, 9 times it got rejected. But the thing is like Ichimoku is green and above the red cloud, and hash ribbons turned as buy. I think this time either because of BTC pump, this time at least it should break this 200 EMA, and it should close above 23 cents or below 24 cents. That will give some confidence to push back this H bar. So let's check some Indian market today. Nifty. Nifty, as I told on Friday, I think I'm expecting a small correction. We had a small correction, but it's kind of a hammer candle or kind of a spinning top, but we can't take this wicks for spinning top. It's kind of a hammer. If we remove this one, we got supported by this upper Bollinger Band, but almost it came to low of last Thursday's open. That's fine, but that is with Nifty. Like tomorrow also, I think it may come down and get supported by this ATMA for Nifty. Let's check ITC. ITC, yeah, same thing. This was the line I draw. Again, we got close. We got today's close is below to yesterday's close, not Friday's close. This is bearish actually. So I am seeing one more day downside, at least get supported by this ATMA and reverse back. So that is with respect to ITC. Let me check Reliance. Reliance, yeah, as I told on Friday, we close almost close below 80 MA, and we are again below 80 MA. I think one more or couple of more red candles will bring Reliance back to this 200 EMA mark, and but Reliance capitulation phase is done, I think, as of now. On daily candles I'm seeing a buy coming here, so maybe this 200 EMA is the key we need to see. Whenever there is a buy coming on this 200 EMA is a place to buy, and try to ride this market to for Reliance. So that is with respect to Reliance. So is there any other charts, guys? I think we have got a live chat, so let's give a thank you to them. Okay, so anyhow, as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor or a SEBI certified agent, so I'm just trying to educate you guys. If you guys have any doubts or questions, please try to check in with comments or on live chat, or you can follow me on Twitter and Facebook. There are Twitter pages and Facebook pages for my channel. Kind to follow me on this channel. Anyhow, thank you all. Thanks for your support, and please subscribe and share it with your friends and switch on the notification icon. Thank you all.